In this video, you'll learn how to make an app in Glide in just a few minutes without writing any code, using nothing more than a simple spreadsheet. First, go to glideapps.com and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, click New App and choose your data source. You can start with a Google Sheet, an Excel file, or Glide tables built right into the platform. Next, connect your data and watch Glide instantly turn it into a working app. Every row becomes a screen, every column becomes a field, and you get a fully functional mobile and web app in seconds. Now, customize the design using Glide's visual editor. Drag and drop components like lists, forms, buttons, and images, then change colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand, no coding required. After that, add powerful features like user sign-in, notifications, filters, and actions. You can even use Glide AI to generate content, automate workflows, and connect with tools like Zapier or Make for advanced integrations. Once your app is ready, click Publish. Glide instantly gives you a live link you can share with anyone, and your app works seamlessly on both desktop and mobile devices with no installation needed. And that's it. Your app is now built and live on Glide, fast, beautiful, and ready to impress your users.